Welcome to another edition. Getting the Honda moved across. So I've got some room in the rest of the unit. So I've put the front up on some ramps just so I've got a little bit of extra height when I'm working underneath. Not be as cramped under there. So I'll crack on, get the wheels off, and I'll start stripping the suspension and the trailing arms. Get everything off. I found a little bit more rust. Hey. I'm having a right nightmare here. Every single bolt I'm trying to get off, snapping, seized. Managed to get that one off. And that one there, just will not budge. Nuts off, but the bolt not come out. A bolt there for the handbrake cable, that'll not come out. A cable for the handbrake, that'll not come out. Bolt having the cable on, snapped. The exhaust bolt snapped. It's just a right nightmare, this. Never known bolts like it. Snapping, seized. We'll keep going, we'll persevere. Right, I'm finally getting it off. It's been a nightmare. Bolt snapping, can't get bolts off. That one's not budging. Handbrake one, that's not budging. Snap the ABS sensor. But at least it's off, finally. Tackle the rust a little bit easier, get in better. Got some cleaning up. Some new parts ordered. And crack on. I've managed to strip some parts off it, but cannot for the life of me get that bolt out. Or that bolt. And as you can see, I've been smashing it with a hammer. Just not budging. I think I might have to cut it, but if I cut it, it's still going to be stuck inside there. And I'll need a new hub. Unless I can get it drilled out. So, the caliper off. No. I can get in a bit better. Right. And can't get the handbrake cable out the bracket. So that looks like that'll have to be cut. And it's seen better days anyway. Get the rest off on the other side. I think that might be another day. Tinker around with the rust. Right. I was supposed to be fitting this the day on my car because it's split, but as usual can't get the bolts out. Second bolt. Fucking done me head in. Right. Another thing, I can't seem to budge. That damn screw there. Yeah, that's just something else that's pissing us off. But replace that. That shot. New one of them. Knew everything really, by the looks of it. But slowly but surely. Right. Got a bit of a dilemma. I'm not sure whether to just cut the whole inner arch out from there, just crack the seal, well, say crack the seal, cut it out, remove it so that I can repair all of this, because there's just holes everywhere. So it would be easier to fix all of that. But then I've got the dilemma: do I patch it or do I make a new one? That, oof, I think should be easy enough to remove. I'm hoping, I'm thinking, I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do, because I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna fix that. Because all of these seem to be fitted over the top of the chassis rail. But then I have the dilemma how to get the sides off. Oh, it's just one thing after another. Pretty sure the Titanic's not even this rusty. There's a question. If I do fix that, do I patch, or do I try and shape and make a whole new thing? But then of course nothing to bend it and shape it with all the different shapes and angles. Decisions. I think I'll go home, have a think about it, and then come back tomorrow and decide.